Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the find and replace option or tools on your Google slide. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the find and replace option in Google slide, I'm just going to show in this video. First of all, I'm just going to copy this Google slide. I'm just going to paste it on every folder. First of all, you're just going to paste this full line to the every slide. So I just paste it here, and also here, and also here, and also here. Okay, we just placed the same font or same line on a same wording on every slide. Now just press Ctrl plus F, which actually have this, you can find anything on the document, and this is to have, if you press this three dot, it shows the find and replacement option. So here I just going to copy this Google slide and just paste it here, and here we will have these two options: ignore the Latin diacritics or match the case. So you can just click on match case. You can see it's actually match the case, and if you just turn off and just you can see the click on next, so it will shows the every Google slide we have used. You can see the style slide changing here. So here I'm just going to change it as G slides. Okay, now I just click. If you want to replace a single word on a single particular thing, you just click previous. I just want to replace this, just click replace. If you want to replace everything, just click on the replace all, which actually replace everything on every slide. You can see the updated is on every slide, and you can also change anything. For example, I'm just going to change the find into the G slides. Just click on replace all. You can see it replaced in every slides. The changes appears on every slides. This is how you just use find and replace option on your Google slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.